Hello and welcome to this unboxing of a PoooliPrint printer. Now I have left it all wrapped up in the bubble wrap because I couldn't quite remember what all I had asked for except for a pink case and some washi tape. I just can't remember the designs on the washi tape, so I'm going to use my trusty slice knife and get it open. I am very excited. This just came out of the quarantine cupboard. Ooh, oh yeah, like a rainbow. Ooh, pastel rainbow. Of course, I'm gonna like that. Ooh. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. I ordered some adhesive rolls. Oh damn it. Oh no. Okay. It's just the outer plastic is like getting stuck. Okay. Oh, quick start guide. Very good. Okay, great. Sticker rolls. Nice. Okay, so I ordered white paper and 3 different sets of sticker rolls and thermal paper. And now somebody else has to get involved in the video and see what the flip's going on. Oh, hey. Hey, Peppers. Hey. There's me. Hey. Hey, PoooliPrint. Thank you. Peppers, it's a printer. It's a new printer. I'll print you out a message, right? I really like this case a lot. I can't even remember which color of printer that I ordered. Let me see, does it say on the outside? Pink! Okay, of course. A pink one. I do also really like yellow, so I thought that there is a chance I may have ordered the yellow, but I am happy with pink. Let me just move this out of the way. Ooh, now it is only the wee beak that is pink, but I still like that. Let me just lift this out. I'm going to stop talking and then I'm going to go ahead and get this set up so that I can use it. You can see it. Is this magnetic? Oh, it's magnetic. There you go. So a couple of quick start guides. And a USB plug. It looks like the same kind of USB plug that I've got for my wireless headphones. So let me see. I'm going to stop talking here, then I'm going to fast forward and get started with printing.